Benefits of social media for business, in 3 minutes. Increase brand awareness. You reach large audiences. Faster, easier communication. You have a direct connection with your audience. You can create organic content. You have access to paid advertising services. Increase website traffic. You build your brand. Tell your story and enrich your company culture. Networking and partnerships. You drive traffic to your website. You can evaluate your performance. Boost organic visibility. Generate more leads. Boost business sales. Partner with influencers. Promote your content. Boost trust and drive sales with online testimonials. Go viral with your content. Customer and audience engagement. Keep an eye on the competition. Targeted advertising. Retargeting your customers. Customer feedback. You can join social media networks for free. At Tafok we are experts and will take care of your social media to best achieve your business goals. So why wait? Call us now.